Namaste, viewers. It is Monday morning, January 20, 2025, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Welcome to ST Money's Business News. We provide you the latest and updated 5 minute summarized Indian market wrap. But before we roll on, please do subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you. Now, let's roll. The stock market highlights from Friday, January 17, 2025. The Indian market snapped 3 day winning streak and ended lower despite the IT and bank sectors. Biggies, Infosys and Axis Bank posted better numbers for the quarter ended December. However, gains in Reliance Industries post reporting higher profit helped to limit the losses. Amid weak global cues, the Indian indices opened lower and extended the losses as the day progressed. But buying in oil and gas, power, PSU, realty, and metal names helped to trim intraday losses. Benchmark equity indices lost their 3 day winning streak to end the week's last trading session in negative territory. The 30 share Sensex shed 403 points or 0.52% to settle at 76,639. Similarly, the NSE Nifty 50 ended at 23,203, down 108 points or 0.47%. For the week, BSE Sensex and Nifty fell 1% each. 29 out of the 50 constituent stocks of the Nifty 50 ended in the green, with gains led by Reliance Industries, BPCL, Hindalco, Nestle India, and Coal India. Conversely, Infosys, Axis Bank, Shriram Finance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, and Wipro were among the 21 constituent stocks that ended in the red. Among the broader markets, the Nifty Mid Cap 100 and the Nifty Small Cap 100 indices settled with gains of 0.23% and 0.16%, respectively. Sectoral markets ended mixed, with Nifty IT and private bank indices being the top laggards, ending down by over 2% each. This was followed by Bank Nifty and financial services indices, which ended lower by 1% each. Among others, Nifty FMCG, metal, OMCs, and realty indices ended higher by up to 1.5%. In the US on Friday, US stocks rallied on Friday to close out a strong week on optimism over the health of the economy and path of interest rate cuts as investors braced for a slew of policy changes under the incoming Trump administration. The S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average registered the biggest weekly percentage gains since early November 2024, and the Nasdaq recorded its best since early December last year. For the week, the Dow rose 3.69%, the S&P gained 2.92%, and the Nasdaq climbed 2.43%. President-elect Donald Trump will be inaugurated today as US's president on January 20 when US markets are closed for Martin Luther King Jr. Day holiday. Brent crude is up $80.79 a barrel. Gold is rupees 79,370 per 10 grams, and silver is 91,700 per kilogram. Now, for today's outlook for the Indian market, the ongoing tussle between the bulls and the bears reflect mixed market sentiment, while select heavyweights supporting recovery hopes on a rotational basis. However, persistent FII selling and a mixed start to the earnings season are restricting upward momentum. Until clear signs of reversals emerge, it's advised to maintain a sell on a rise strategy for the index while focusing on stock specific opportunities during the earning season. The bearish sentiment may persist in the short term or as long as the index remains below 23,400. On the downside, it could drift towards 23,000. A decisive break below 23,000 might trigger a broader market correction. Conversely, 23,400 is likely to remain a strong resistance level. Stocks to watch today: Wipro, Tech Mahindra, Kotak Bank, RBL Bank, Gland Pharma, Zydus Life, Ashapura Mindchem, Lakshmi Dental, Geo Financial Services, Canfin Homes, Seshashahi Paper, Supreme Petrochem, Fire Capital, ICICI Lombard, General Insurance, Rallis India, Ramakrishna Forgings, Indian Hotels Company, KP Energy, Camlin Fine Sciences, GMR Airports Infrastructure, Minda Corporation, and Fortis Healthcare will be in focus on January 20. That's it for today. I will see you again tomorrow morning. In the meantime, happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it is all about money.